Okay.
So many people here.
Where? Where you going?
Buggy Boo Boo.
Where you going?
Buggy Boo.
Careful! This is bread. You want bread, Neng?
No.
KFM. How much? 250. You want this?
Yes.
Cranberry. 7 pieces. 1 KD. 1 KD. Oh, naka-sale ngayon ang Persil. 5 kilo. 2 KD lang. Ayan. Maraming sale ngayon. 9. So, eto, disinfectant quick. Dalawang 1.5. 1 KD lang din. Okay, Ariel. Oh, 1.5 din. Oh, 890 lang. Ito rin. Ang daming ano. 1 KD lang din. Ito, Ensure nila. Malalaki na. 246. 1.5. Sarap magpabagahe, no? Kaya lang, mahal na pabagahe ngayon. Ito, gold parboiled rice. 5 kilos. Magkano siya? 1,590. This one, 2.9 liters.
I want to the pot ramen.
2K. Yeah, what is that?
To the pot ramen.
Suda Pop Ramen.
Yeah.
That's so expensive.
Expensive?
Yeah.
What expensive means? Village.
No? This is your favorite.
This?
Ta?
Huh?
What is that?
Huh?
Tabu?
Now.
Tabungaw. You like it?
Yeah. Can I eat it?
But it's expensive. 1,895 per kilo.
But we do taboo now.
Next time.
Pepper.
What is this?
Pepper.
This is
Pepper.
chili.
Chili.
Cabbage. 125 per kilo. Kasi magluluto tayo for today ng there. How much? 1.6. Mahal. 850 tsaka 950.
Is that red?
Oh, here. Oh, no, here. We have 750 only. Okay? So, this is what? Vanilla chocolate ice cream. And then, this is only vanilla. What you want?
I want their own.
Which one?
Their.
Wait.
Their. Mommy, I want
This one?
vanilla. I want the small.
The small one? This one?
Yeah, vanilla. I
Okay.
want it.
Chicken drumstick nila. Ito. 1 KD. Yung lulo nila na 1 kilo, 1 KD. Mahal. Egg. Yung 30 nila, 1.550. Hindi ito umbrella. It's jasmine rice. 1,790. Ito yung binibili namin. Calros. So, 4,990 yung 10 kilos. Yung flour is 155 pa. I don't know kasi kung magkano dati. For 1 kilo. 925 yung 2 kilos. Pero may nakita akong sale kanina eh. Sas yung ano nila, 5 kilos nila is 2.65. So, ito, hindi na siya bottle. Plastic na siya. Pero mahal 2KD. Naka-sale na yan. Hello, ate. Hello, ate. What did you buy, ate?
Juice and ice cream.
Is that juice and ice cream? What is the flavor of the juice? Very good. Naalala niya
And the ice cream is vanilla.
Okay. Very good ka talaga, Naning.
Da 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 da.